Today we're going to see 3 easy wall decors which you can do at home very easily. For the first one, I'm taking 4 different tissue papers which are in different patterns and colors. Along with it, I'm taking a rope, tape and pair of scissors. Let's get started. First, I'm making the tassels. For the tassels, you have to first cut the sheet of paper into required size. Here I am taking sheet and I want them into 10 to 15 inch in the size of square. The size is almost like 10 to 15 inch. This is the size which I want. I'll repeat this same thing with all the remaining papers too. Once I am done with all the sheets, it's time to make tassels. I'm folding this sheet to the half. Here I'm taking 2 to 3 sheets at a time. Perfectly fold the sheet to the half and take the scissors, hold at one end of the sheet and start cutting like ribbons. Almost I am cutting it of half centimeter. I am almost leaving it attached about the 20%. Just I am cutting 80% of the paper and leaving attached the remaining 20% which is at the top. I am repeating the same process throughout the paper. Take your own time, since you're taking 2 to 3 sheets at a time. It may be a little bit difficult to cut, but do it slowly throughout the paper. Once you are done, the result will be like this. Take single sheet at a time now and place it vertically so that the pieces of paper comes to your right and left side. Hold at the center and start rolling the paper. Make sure while you are rolling, it is detangled from the both sides. Try to roll as tight as possible, but be careful with the paper. Once you are done with it, hold tight at the center and twist it for 2 to 3 times, but not too tight so that paper may tear. And fold it, making a loop so that we can hang it to the rope. Keep it tight and secure it with the tape. Once you are done with the tassel, it will look like this. Repeat the process with all your papers and complete all the tassels. Once you are done with it, take the rope and place all the tassels like a garland. When you are done with all the tassels, the final look is this. Isn't it beautiful? For the second one, I'm taking a frame from the dollar store, which is of size 8 by 10, and I have taken a white sheet with the same size. Take a sample which you like. First I'm drawing it with a pencil. So that later on I can fill it with my own version of colors. When you are done with coloring, let it dry After drying, place it in the frame. Sorry for the bad lighting. Once you're done with your frame, the final product is this. So beautiful and very easy to decorate. For the third one also, I'm taking another frame from the dollar store with the same size. I'm taking a sheet with a 8x10 which can fit into the frame. I'm just marking a center with black color. I'm not marking it to the center but to one end. Now I'm taking a light color and making a flag with my finger. Repeat the process with different colors. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe